Welcome back to my channel, Unspoken Insight. Yes, that's the name of my channel. This is the first time that you have seen this video or you come across my video. Please kindly hit the notification button to give you more weekly updates as you do so. God bless you. Wait, how are you going to think about it that YouTube is no longer pushing video? How? Yes, YouTube is not like before. After monetization, yes, it's true. After monetization, they will no longer push your content. Yeah, you see people that are getting 2 million views. They have method that they used to do it, but they will not tell you the secret. Yes, they will not tell you the secret. That's the problem I'm facing through now. Yes, as I said, that's the problem I'm facing through now. I've been monetized, getting to a year, not be able to earn money from YouTube. I'll not be able to earn money for them. It's a long story. It's a long story. To be a YouTuber, it's not easy. It's not easy. As I said, it's not easy. People that say that they are successful on YouTube, they have method they have been using, but they will not tell you the method. Yes, they have method they were using, but they will not tell you the method. People are cashing out. People are in money on YouTube. And somebody like me now, I've seen struggle. It's a long story. I've been struggle, get it to a year. But no result. I post, no result. I change content, no result. I change needs, 5 to 7 needs, no result. I mingle with fake people, no result. My brother, I believe that one day all those things will change to a story. The time is coming after the end of the day. By God's grace, God said I will earn money for them. I'll be reviewing how I was calm. But it's a long story. I said, let me just silence the beat. Silence the beat, to prove and let me just keep quiet for a while. Yes. Let me keep quiet for a while. Yes. Alright. This is the first time you come across this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my channel, Unspoken Insight. Thanks for your watching. See you the other time. Bye.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.